Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you where your cooling fan relay and fuse are located in a 1997 Honda Prelude. Okay, so you just want to pop up your bonnet or your hood, and up underneath here you'll see there is a fuse box, guys. Okay, you're just going to pop this off, and then we're going to read it. On the top it says cooling fan over here, it's a 20 amp, and then we have over here a cooling fan relay. Okay guys, this is for your radiator fan. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, just sit this up over there, and first of all, your 20 amp fuse, the first one, is located right here. Okay, so we're just going to go there. That is your 20 amp cooling fan fuse, guys. Okay, so that might be blown, make sure to check that. And then we have over here, back on the box, cooling fan relay. We just go over here to the other relays, guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 relays, just like on the box. This one here, that one right there, that is your cooling fan relay, guys. Okay, right there. So check those. If your fan is not turning on, check those, and maybe just check your connectors as well. You've got fan connectors just over here. I don't know if I can zoom in, but it's just over here, guys. Right there. It's sort of attached to the fan. Okay, so make sure you check those connectors. They might be not very good. Otherwise, if those don't work, then maybe your fan is just screwed and you might need to replace it. But yeah, that's the fuses and the fan connector, guys. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and yeah, like and subscribe.